Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $525 that I'm going to be able to put into my wallet, into some sinking funds and savings challenges. So I'm going to first start off in my wallet, which I already figured out. This is just going to get my usual 170 amount that I always put in here. I have a few envelopes that I always keep in my wallet that I spend from, and they usually get about the same amount every week because those are just the amounts that seem to work well for my budget in these envelopes. So spending is getting 30 this week, eating out gets 30, groceries gets 80, coffee is getting 20, and buffer gets 10. So that's a total of 170 in my wallet. So I'm actually going to start deducting that from the 525. So that leaves me with 355 that I can put into all of these sinking funds, and then I have a bunch of savings challenges that I'm hoping to at least get a little bit into each one for this week. Okay, so that is it for my wallet. Before I move on though, I do want to say thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate all your support over here. Just keep watching my videos and yeah, just supporting me here on my channel. So if you're not already though, make sure to hit that subscribe button because that also helps out my channel too. And if you want to give this video a like, if you like it, once you watch it, definitely do that as well. But yeah, thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch me cash plan for the week. All right, so I have a list right here of all of the envelopes I need to put, except for the savings ones. Oh, actually, I should start with the savings. One of the saving ones first. So let me get this right here. It's like a little game. I like to play this power up one right here. Actually, I need my dice. Okay. So, gotta get a couple of things. A little sticky note, and I'm just gonna play this game and see what I get for this one. So this one is kind of random, so, well, it is random. All right, I'm going to see how many times I'm rolling first. So I'm rolling 4 times, and then I'm going to roll to see the amount I'm putting in here. Okay, first is 4 and 1. So 4 and 1. Oh, mushroom. So that's $5. Oops, next one. 4 and 1, another $5. Okay. 5 and 2, which is $1. And last roll, 5 and 6, which is $1. Okay, so that is a total of $12 that's going into this challenge. So I'm just gonna put that down here, power up, $12. Perfect. Okay, so that leaves me with $343. I'm going to come back to this binder. I just wanted to do that one first since that one is a little random, and I just want to make sure I get that one out of the way before I move on to the other ones. So I'm going to go into the black binder. Alrighty, so auto repair this week, I'm going to put 15 in here. I have almost 400 in this one, so that's good. Electronics, this isn't a huge priority, so this one's just going to get 5. Emergency, this is one of the envelopes I like to prioritize, so this one's going to get 25. So is extra savings. Furniture is going to get, so I've been wanting to, especially for the new year, like one of my things I want to do for myself is to, on my time off, is to organize my closet a little bit better. So because I've been getting rid of a lot of stuff, decluttering, and I have more closet space, so I want to buy like some furniture, like little cub storage organizer things that I can put in there to organize like my jeans and different things like that. So I want to focus on that. So I'm going to put $10 in this one. I have 43. Those things are not super expensive. I'll probably go to IKEA to buy those. And they're super easy to put together, so that's good. Rainy Day is gonna get 10 as well. Oops. Registration's already fully funded, so I don't have to worry about that one. Road Trip only has 10, so I'm gonna put 15 in here. Scentsy, not a huge priority, so that one's getting 5. Subscriptions is getting 5 as well. And travel, I'm gonna put 5 in here. All right, perfect. So that is the black binder. And then next, I'm gonna go into this gray one. Okay, next is beauty. So beauty, I have 45 in beauty, and I'm thinking I want to put 15. I have enough to buy my toner that I want to buy, and there's something else I want to buy. So that's why I want to put a little bit more in there. Clothing, I'm going to put 10 in here. Content, this one isn't a huge priority, so this one's getting 5. So is Costco, but Costco will also get whatever's left over in my grocery envelope. Family's getting 15 this week. Gifts will get 10. Home, just 5. Yeah. Household is gonna get, I only have 3 in here. I really don't need anything. I just stocked up on things that I needed recently. So this will get 5. Even though I probably should put more, but I think it should be fine. And then Target will get 5 as well. Okay, perfect. Next up is the pink binder. Okay, Go Wild this week will get 10. I have 11:30 in here right now. Disneyland, I'm gonna put 20 in Disneyland. Fun is gonna get 10. Treat yourself. So this one, I'm gonna match what I put in emergency and extra savings. So that one's gonna get 25. And hobbies will get 5. Okay. So that leaves me with $78. Oh wait, no, I still have a couple more in here. Forgot. I have 2 in here. Holiday decor. I'm really not buying anything else. I really don't want to buy anything else. Okay, so 5. This is just basically saving for next year. Christmas is getting 5. I'm hoping by next year I'm going to be in a bigger place. So then I'll need more money to decorate. Because my goal next year is to get into a 2-bedroom apartment. So I'll have another room basically to decorate. It should be fun. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the savings binder. I have a few savings challenges in here that I like to put money towards. So I'm pretty sure that 68 is just gonna go into savings. So let's see first. The first one up I have is this cash stash one. Okay, so I'm running out of like the lower numbers, but I do have a 25. And what I'm gonna do is I might see if I can bump this up to maybe 35 with leftover money in my wallet. We'll see if that happens. Otherwise, I'll just do the 25. But I'm planning for 25. So cash stash 25. Okay, that leaves me with 43. Okay. I have this 52 circle. I'm just gonna do 5. because again, I will try to bump it up with leftover money. Grab my 100 envelope challenge book. And usually what I do is I plan for 5 again. Plan for 5, leftover money will bump it up. So I'm actually putting in more. And then my plan for this, I'm really close to being done with this, which is very exciting. But before the end of the year, my plan for this, when I set up my whole system again for 2025, I will be taking all of these lower ones and pushing them to the higher amounts, because that's really helped for me to get these higher ones filled, because they're quite difficult to do. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then that way I can just focus on these more like reasonable amounts to fill. And then I think next year I might try to do at least 2 envelopes a week if I can. We'll see if that happens. But I'm just gonna do 5 in this one. So that's the 100 envelope. But like I said, it'll probably get more than that when I cash stuff. Okay, I'm left with 33. And I still have, okay, I already did all those. I have these 2 left. So I have this $10 challenge. This one's from my shop. With these cute little piggies with the Santa hat. I'm gonna do 20 in here. So I wanna color in 2 of these little piggies, because they're too cute. And then this one, I'm going to do, this is a $5 challenge. So this one's going to get 10. And then I'm left with $3. So that's just my, I have a collection of ones right here. So this is gonna get 3. Okay, so that should be the whole 525. I'm just gonna double check and make sure my counts are correct before I move on, because I don't wanna, you know, start doing the tallies and then realize that I'm off if I messed up over here. So I'm just gonna double check and make sure all of this does total out to 525, and then I'll move on to the next step. I do have 525, so this is correct. All right, so now I'm just gonna do the tallies. So auto repair is gonna get 15, so that's 10 and a 5. Electronics, 5. Emergency, 25, another 25. Furniture is 10, another 10. Road trip is 15, so 10 and a 5. And then I have a few 5s here, 3 5s. Beauty is 15, so 10 and a 5. A 10 for clothing, couple 5s here. Family is 15. Gifts, 10. Home, 5, 5, and 5. Go Wild is 10. Disneyland is 20. Fun is 10. Treat Yourself, 25. Hobbies is 5. And so our holiday decor and Christmas. All right, now Power Up is 12. So that's 10, 11, 12. Cash Dash is 25. So 20 and a 5. 52 Circle is 5. So is 100 Envelope. And then I have the $10 challenge, which is 20, but I want 2 10s. $5 challenge is 10, so that's 2 5s, and $1 is 3. Okay, so now I'm just going to count up the tally. So 50 has 1, 20s 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10s 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And 1s, 5, 8, 9, 10. Alrighty, so 5. Oops, I counted this wrong. I'm like, wait, that's not right. 5, 7, 8, 9. No, I counted that right. Oh my goodness. I just cannot count. All right, so I think this is right. This is where I tend to mess up, so I might have messed up. So here I'm going to count all the cash for this one. Okay, so, or yeah, how much I have here. So 50 times 1 is 50. at 8 times 20 is 160. And then I have 18 tens. That's 180. 25 fives is 125, I think. Pretty sure that's 25 times 5. Yeah, 125. And then 10. All right, so let's see if this all totals out to 525. So 50, 160, 180, 125, and 5. Oh, see, I knew I was going to mess up somewhere. Oh, wait, no. I messed up here. Oh, my goodness. 50, 160, 180, 125, and 10. I didn't mess up. Oh, my goodness. 525. Perfect. So I'm going to grab a sticky note. And I'm just going to write all of this down so I can give this to the teller. Okay, so 50s times 1 is 50. And then 20 times 8 is 160. And then I have 10 times 18, which is 180. 5 times 25 is 125. And then, oops, 1 times 10 is 10. All right, and that is a total of 525 that I will be taking out from the bank. And then I'm just gonna put this in here. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you again for watching, for taking the time out of your day to watch as I cash plan for the week. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. All those things help my channel out. So if you do them, I really, really appreciate you doing that. I will have this cash stuffing of this amount on Sunday. That's usually when I post the cash stuffing. So if you actually want to see how all this goes into the envelopes, how the savings challenges they're going to change. I'm definitely putting more than what I planned in here thanks to this leftover money in my wallet, because I actually did pretty good this week. So I have some decent amount of money left over. So yeah, definitely check that out. But other than that, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.